You see these visuals, you will be moved too. A chill went down my spine as I saw a young lady watch her husband one last time lying in the coffin. This is Major Anuj Sood's wife. Major Anuj Sood's wife, the son of the soil who was martyred by Pakistani terrorists in Handwara just 48 hours ago. This heartbreaking scene had an eerie similarity with what happened soon after the Pulwama attack last year. In Jaipur, a 12-year-old daughter bid goodbye to her father, Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, the man who led the operation in Handwara and promised to return home but came back wrapped in our Tiranga. A tear came rolling down my cheek when I saw these pictures and when I watched 1 billion people unite to salute these 5 brave hearts. This sacrifice is not new. Last 48 hours, we've seen 5 of our braves being killed in Jammu and Kashmir because terrorists have been pumped in by Pakistan, and Pakistan has been bleeding India through 1,000 cuts for decades now. This pain is not new for us. What's worse, the reason for this pain is not new either. India cried 1 billion tears today because we lost our men to a cowardly attack by Pakistan's proxies who think Kashmir is theirs to own. And while the whole country was plunged in despair, almost simultaneously, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi tweeted a congratulatory note for the 3 photojournalists who were awarded the 2020 Pulitzer Prize for Best Feature Photography. Why is that a problem? You would have thought we would have celebrated this Pulitzer Prize as well. So let me explain to you on the case tonight. When the announcement came, the Pulitzer panel mentioned, and I quote, "The prize is awarded to Channi Anand, Mukhtar Khan and Dar Yassin of Associated Press for striking images of life in the contested territory of Kashmir as India revoked its independence, executed through a communications blackout." Rahul Gandhi hailed the photojournalists for their powerful images of life in Jammu and Kashmir, the images that only captured protests, crackdown by paramilitary forces and the curfew, where every image screamed of how unjust the center was and how Kashmiris were ripped of their independence. Rahul Gandhi said that these photojournalists had made us all proud. Let me remind our viewers tonight that each of these awardees support separatist feelings because they accepted an award and a citation that says that the independence of Kashmir has been revoked and that this is a contested territory. All of them are of the opinion that India has forcefully occupied Kashmir. And by praising such journalists, Rahul Gandhi has undermined all the sacrifices made by our braves to keep India intact. And that brings me to my legitimate question tonight. Will Rahul Gandhi apologize for insulting our martyrs whose fires haven't even cooled down yet, whose families' tears haven't even dried yet? That's the legitimate question on the News Hour.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining my panel, Sushil Pandit, Kashmiri Pandit, also Dr. Sumant C. Raman, political analyst, and Majid Hydari, political analyst. Dr. Sumant C. Raman, I want to ask you just one question. Would you congratulate and celebrate a journalist who receives a citation that India is an occupied territory and whose independence has been revoked? Do you carry the same opinion?
Two, 3 quick points. If the citation spoke of Kashmir as a contested territory, then the fault for it lies with the Pulitzer organization that is giving the Pulitzer Prize. and your ire should be directed, or our ire should be directed against the organization that actually called it that.
So that's my precise
Second.
question, Suman Siraman. Where
No,
was
it is
the
not.
ire of Mr. Rahul Gandhi? Where is his ire?
He is congratulating 3 Indian citizens who have
my
won
God.
a
Where did
prestigious
you get him
award.
from, Navika?
Are they Indian citizens or not?
ये नर्सरी क्लास के जैसे बोल रहे हैं.
Violated- One second, Dr. Patra, let me finish. Kindly clarify the following: are they Indian citizens or not? Second,
Let
have
me-
they
let
won
me.
a prestigious
Dr.
award
Sambat
or
Patra,
not?
would
Yeah.
you call
Have
people
they
who
violated
accept
the law?
awards where the citation says that
Have they-
India's independence has been revoked? Kashmir's
second.
independence
Have
has been
they-
revoked.
When-
Will you
when were the
call
awards
them Indian
announced?
citizens?
When were the awards?
Just a second.
announced?
If
Please
only
tell me.
Suman Siraman stops
When were the-
eulogizing Rahul
Sir,
Gandhi,
let
can
me
I
finish,
speak?
Sir, I have not finished. I was interrupted mid.
When will you finish, sir? There's nothing to finish, sir. You all have already finished India. So please.
This
No,
was-
you're trying your
they
best to
have
finish India. Don't
accepted
finish,
an
please.
award.
Let me
The
start.
award was
What do you mean
announced.
finish in
The
the
award was
No,
announced
just a second.
yesterday.
Just a second. Let me give you a
When did they
simile, an
accept the
example.
award?
You said that it was not Rahul Gandhi's fault. It was not even the photographer's fault. It was the fault of the organization. So why should we be blaming Rahul Gandhi and the photographers? Supposedly, tomorrow we have Hafiz Saeed inviting you to give you an award, and you rush to accept the award. And then Rahul Gandhi says that, well, yes, Mr. Suman Siraman, I
So,
congratulate
Mr.
you. So what should we do?
Organization is
Just a
now
second,
equal
Mr.
to
Raman, I did not
Hafiz Saeed.
speak when you were speaking. Let me please talk,
You did.
and then you can clarify.
Okay.
Number one, remember, when these photographers got the award, the citation came along with the award. Here is the citation. What did the citation read? The citation read in the
When did
feature
they receive
photography section, for striking images of life in the contested territory of Kashmir as India revokes its independence, executed through a communications blackout. So this citation was there for the photographers also to see. But the photographers choose to accept the award and even to accept Rahul Gandhi's congratulations. So
they
Rahul
have-
Gandhi must
they
have
have-
seen, he is
no,
no ordinary
they
person.
have-
He must have seen
they
the
have-
citation.
they have
After seeing,
communicated
just
to
a
the
second,
government
Mr.
that
Suman
they are
Siraman, you are not
accepting the
aware
award.
of all the facts. Let me make you aware and enlightened. You should see the caption of each of the photograph which has received the award. The caption of each of the photograph by these photographers reads, India occupied Kashmir. Do you believe that this position is right? Do you believe that
Absolutely
Kashmir
not.
is India occupied Kashmir?
Suman Siraman, I want to ask you first and foremost, do you think Kashmir is a part of India or not?
If they have captioned those photos as India occupied Kashmir, then I would have expected the government to have acted against them. What
The
action has
government
been
will
taken?
act
Now
against
you
a
tell
foreign
me.
organization which is giving off an award. Why? Why should
No,
you?
sir.
No, why should you be
Sir,
accepting the
tell me.
award?
You tell
No,
me.
why should you be
Here is
accepting the
somebody-
award?
Here-
Why couldn't you
here is
refuse the
somebody-
award?
Listen to.
Sir,
The government will take a,
first of all,
I mean,
the
let me
award
tell you,
has been
Suman Siraman, as far as
MC
the government is concerned,
Abbas,
the government will
I
take
want to ask you as an
not with
It
the
is not
organization.
MC Abbas, I want to ask you a
Yes.
question. Are you an Indian
Yes.
or are you not an Indian? Are you? No, are you
Ma'am,
yes or no?
Ma'am, I'm very much an Indian.
All
and,
right. If you
I
are
have,
an Indian, what
and
do
I
you
don't
think?
need a Samit
Is
Patra certificate of nationalism.
Kashmir a part of India or not? Where do you stand on?
Certainly, ma'am. Kashmir
So
is
is
certainly
it
a
right?
part of India.
Is it
But
right
what the larger
for
point I
these
make here
journalists
is
to
we
call Kashmir India occupied Kashmir? Is it right for these journalists to label Kashmir as India occupied Kashmir? Who calls this part of Kashmir as India occupied
Ma'am.
Kashmir? मुझे ये बताइए कौन कहता है ये किसकी लाइन है?
जी ma'am, हाँ. Is it right for Narendra Modi ji, Sambit Patra and BJP to keep quiet when United Nations says Indian administered Kashmir and criticizes
Who
the
said we have
blockade
kept
of
quiet? Sir, you're not
telecommunication
aware of
networks?
anything.
Where was Achambit Patra?
You are not aware of
And Achambit
anything, sir. Who
Patra,
said that
who
India
are you
keeps
to give
quiet?
certificate of
Who says
nationalism
India
to
keeps
everybody?
quiet?
Who are you
look at these people. They talk bunkum. They bring up Narendra Modi over here. Thanks to Narendra Modi, we had a surgical strike. Thanks to Narendra Modi that we had air strike. Thanks to Narendra Modi, we had abrogation of Article 370. But because of traitors like you, we have people who gives out photographs saying that this is India occupied Kashmir. Because of traitors like you, we have people congratulating the ones who believe that it is India occupied Kashmir. Because of traitors like you, we have organizations coming up with this kind of citation that in fact Kashmir is a contested territory in India. You are not traitors. That is the reality.
Have been awarded in India. And what is your problem? Your problem is narrow-mindedness.
I don't understand, Navika. What kind of people are
What is narrow-minded about this? You want us to be broad-minded and accept that Kashmir is India-occupied Kashmir and that the first right to Kashmir is Pakistan? So, we are never going to be that broad-minded, sir. Kashmir is an indelible part of India, inseparable. All right? We are not going to be broad-minded. शहजाद पूनावाला, MC अब्बास क्या कह रहे हैं कि हम narrow-minded हैं, इसीलिए हम लड़ रहे हैं कि कश्मीर इंडिया का हिस्सा क्यों है? हमें allow करना चाहिए to be calling Kashmir as India-occupied Kashmir. This is the language that Pakistan speaks. How dare Mr. MC Abbas speaks the same language?
And the artists have won the award for the photo, not the citation.
Navika, I just want 20 seconds. I know Sushil Pandit is also waiting. I just want 20 seconds to just frame the debate in one line. Can I have just 20 seconds without interruption, please?
Many Pakistani
Can I have just 20 seconds? I'll finish in 20 seconds, I promise. I have my friend Sushil Pandit
allow other people to make some sensible points other than your separatist mindset that has been displayed tonight. Shehzad Poonawalla.
Absolutely not.
Okay. 20 seconds and I promise I'll finish. Don't interrupt me. 20 seconds. Either Rahul Gandhi read the Pulitzer citation and he still applauded these journalists, which makes him a traitor, or he's so dumb and stupid, or he's so irresponsible that he didn't read it. Which of the two options is the better option for these gentlemen who are defending Rahul Gandhi to choose? Point number two, it is not anything new for Rahul Gandhi. His great-grandfather internationalized Kashmir issue by taking it to United Nations. His party leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said, "Ye Bharat aur Pakistan ka mamla hai, not an internal issue of India." And every time we defeat Pakistan on the global stage, they go and stand with Pakistan on surgical strike, Balakot strike, or on Kashmir or on 370. This is nothing new.
Navika Sahib, I would like to reply him.
Spokesperson's party, brushed, jobless party, which brings this time and again.
Is Rahul Gandhi stupid or is Rahul Gandhi a traitor? Navika, आज सवाल सिर्फ इतना है. Rahul Gandhi stupid है. Rahul Gandhi traitor है. Rahul Gandhi stupid है.
Well, let me get in Majid Hydari. Majid Hydari, can I actually show you the pictures? And these pictures clearly at the bottom say, these are pictures of the story of India's crackdown on Kashmir. Is Kashmir not part of India, Majid Hydari? Is Kashmir occupied by India? Has your freedom been revoked, Majid Hydari? Answer one question. Has your freedom been revoked?
I will definitely reply your question. I'll definitely reply your question, but I'll start with what Shehzad Poonawalla Sahab said. Shehzad Poonawalla Sahab, who else than Rahul Gandhi can know more about the importance of laying supreme sacrifice for the country, because he as a child has seen his father and grandmother wrapped in tricolor. So don't think about it and don't judge his nationalist sentiment. My point is very simple. Rahul Gandhi ji is a visionary, most educated, most dynamic politician.
Pakistan, her grandson is breaking Kashmir.
Let me also get a chance now. See, Rahul Gandhi, I don't expect Rahul Gandhi to behave like Honorable Sambit Patra, who says 4 bottle vodka, economy ka totka. Rahul Gandhi is not that kind of a politician. He has a vision. He knows that Kashmir is a part of India.
What is he saying about
New Delhi doesn't need to behave like a girlfriend.
What do you mean to say Rahul Gandhi 4 bottle vodka?
Kashmiris.
What are you saying about Rahul Gandhi?
Love me not, Kashmiri.
Usne 4 bottle vodka kab diya?
What is this?
ये नाविका आइडेंटिटी 4 बोतल वोडका कहां से आया?
What is this दारू? What is
कहां
this
से
दारू
4 बोतल वोडका आया? I mean, you must have gulped it down. You must have gulped down the 4 बोतल. तभी आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो. देश का सम्मान क्या होता है और देशद्रोह क्या होता है ये समझ नहीं पा रहे. I mean, नाविका, these are recognized separatists. These are recognized separatists. I firmly believe that these people should not get any platform in Indian television channels.
ये दुहाई देते हैं सुशील पंडित ये दुहाई देते हैं कि कश्मीर की इंडिपेंडेंस छीन ली गई है. यहाँ बैठे हुए ये किसी जेल में नहीं है. यहाँ बैठ के टीवी पर इंडिया के खिलाफ बोले जा रहे हैं, लेकिन सपोर्ट उनको करते हैं जो कहते हैं इंडिया की इंडिपेंडेंस चली गई है, कश्मीर इज अ कंटेस्टेड टेरिटरी. यू नो, are these people the real traitors? Look at those visuals. Look at the visuals of Colonel Sood. Look at the visuals of those family members.
Don't miss
उनकी आंखों से अभी आंसू सूखे नहीं है सुशील पंडित. और इनके आप शब्द सुन लीजिए, इनके लफ्जों की आप दास्तान सुन लीजिए जो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं.
गलती थी आरएसएस को जिंदा छोड़ा.
No, what do you mean to say? मार देना चाहिए हम लोग.
आरएसएस आइडियोलॉजी को object to this kind of नेहरू जी that is object to the kind of RSS alive.
इन लोगों की तू मैं और इन लोगों की दलील सुन के लगता नहीं है कि इनको थोड़ा सा भी दुख है इन लोगों की बलिदान पर. इनके मन में श्रद्धांजलि नहीं है, ये तू मैं लगे हुए हैं. और मैं इनकी दलीलें सुन के हैरान. आई एम सो सरप्राइज दे हैव रेज्ड द लेवल्स ऑफ हेयर स्प्लिटिंग टू सच सोफिस्टिकेशन. दे से दैट प्लीज ब्लेम पुलित्जर. इट इज लाइक सेइंग when Rahul Gandhi goes to JNU in solidarity with Bharat tere tukde honge inshallah, please blame the people who were raising slogans. Don't blame Rahul Gandhi. If in the middle of Doklam crisis he goes and have a secret dinner with Chinese ambassador, please don't blame Rahul Gandhi, blame China for Doklam.
Rahul Gandhi has a question, reply.
If he does any misdemeanor, please don't blame him. This man cannot even have a decent argument. He'll go scream.
What about Balakot? No, forget it. The nation wants to know. What is the result of Balakot?
रमजान के महीने में वोडका करते हैं और फिर कहते हैं मैं मुसलमान हूं. इनके मुंह से वोडका रमजान के महीने में टोपी पहन के निकलता है और फिर कहते हैं कि मैं माह रमजान में बैठा हूं. ये किस तरह के फर्जी लोग हैं?
I want to get back Suman Siraman and Dr. Sambit Patra. Suman Siraman, I want to ask you, would you like to eschew your question that you raised, that Rahul Gandhi should have questioned Pulitzer? I want you to think.
Certainly, had he been aware of the citation, Rahul Gandhi should have
the citation. Are you saying that he didn't look at the television? He didn't look at his computer? He didn't look at the website? Somebody told him Pulitzer मिला है, tweet कर दो, उसने tweet कर दिया. What are you saying? Without ascertaining the facts, Rahul Gandhi tweeted.
Excuse me. For those who are not aware, the Pulitzer Prize is one of the most prestigious prizes in the world of journalism.
Prestigious? It may be prestigious for you, sir. It may be prestigious for you, sir. Any award which cites that Kashmir is not an integral part of India is never prestigious for India. Please keep your hypocrisy under your sleeves. For you, it may be prestigious to say that India's Kashmir is a contested territory. For us, it is not prestigious. For you, to be traitor might be prestigious. For us, it is not prestigious to be a traitor.
Okay.
Remember,
the prize is no longer prestigious. Fine. Nobel Prize.
Yes, it should never be prestigious.
Dr. Suman Siraman, let's not trivialize everything. Dr. Suman Siraman, you're an educated, reasonable, liberal man. I just want to ask you, are you so liberal? I want to ask you, what is the limits of your liberalism? Are you so liberal that you will also endorse people? Will you endorse people who label their pictures saying India's attack on Kashmir? Will you label them as Indian citizens?
One second. When was Dr. Patra aware that these pictures carried these captions? What action has he taken against these people? Has the government taken? Arrest them.
Let me answer that now. Let me answer.
Why haven't you taken any action?
Mr. Sumansi Raman, first and foremost, I'm astonished today that while you were trying to defend Rahul Gandhi, you have in fact exposed him further, saying that he has tweeted this without awareness. Now, after he tweeted this, I tweeted. I was the first one to come up with the citation and tweet it. So Rahul Gandhi came to know. In fact, right now, if you would see the trends in India, the Twitter is trending with anti-national Rahul Gandhi at number 2nd position. So Rahul Gandhi by now must have been aware what is happening. So he didn't even pull down the Twitter. Just a second, Mr. Sumansi Raman. Just a second, Mr. Sumansi Raman. So by now he must have been aware. So he could have easily apologized, saying that I'm so sorry. I was not aware that this was what the citation was. I stand with Kashmir, and I don't stand with 3 journalists who have been given the Pulitzer Award, since they have politicized the whole issue on an international platform. But he did not do so, meaning very well that he's hell-bent and stubborn to say that.
Well, Dr. Sumansi Raman, you've got stuck in your own trap, because Dr. Sumansi Raman, you're saying tweets don't matter. Well, Mr. Rahul Gandhi was complimenting and congratulating the journalists on Twitter itself. So it is the same medium in which we are talking about this clarification coming from Dr. Sambit Patra. The same medium was used to drive home the point that there is a citation which says that. Mr. Rahul Gandhi or the Congress could have noticed that, and if they felt that they had made a mistake, they could have corrected themselves. If not against the photojournalist, then at least raise an objection against Pulitzer. They did neither. So what does that imply? Well, viewers, I leave that for you to guess. If Mr. Rahul Gandhi has still not clarified the position, what does it mean? Does he stand with India's position on Kashmir being a part of India, or does he stand with Pakistan's position that Kashmir is an occupied territory of India? The judgment is for you to make. Thank you to my panelists, and I'm going to the other big controversy of the day. To replenish dwindling finances of state coffers during the lockdown, the Delhi government has now treaded on the known path. For the 3rd time, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister, has hiked the fuel tax. However, it is the steepest hike Delhi or any other state has seen in recent times. Price of petrol now has increased by 1 rupee 60 paise per litre to about 71 rupees per litre, while diesel has seen a stinging hike of 7 rupees per litre, going up to 69.40 paise per litre. And this comes less than 24 hours after prices of liquor were also marked up by a whopping 70%, COVID says. So, ladies and gentlemen, there is a face-off that's brewing, and I have Atishi Marlena of the Aam Aadmi Party, who will respond to Dr. Sambit Patra of the BJP. Atishi Marlena, you know, if it was the BJP government in the center which had hiked the excise duty or hiked prices of petrol or diesel, I'm sure the entire opposition would have come out and questioned the rationale, because at the moment crude oil prices are at an all-time low in international markets. Today, when the Aam Aadmi Party government has taken this, do you think this is something that will help the Aam Aadmi? And diesel, remember, is the poor man's fuel. It's going to have a cascading impact on prices all around.
That what we need to understand, Navika, is that we are living through very exceptional times. The crisis that the coronavirus has caused is something that not just Delhi or India, but the world has never witnessed before. It is for the first time in human history that the world across the globe, there is a lockdown, that bus transport, rail transport, air transport, everything is shut. The economy of the world has literally come to a full stop. So these are very exceptional circumstances, one must realize. We are not living in normal times. There has never been a situation where the entire economy, the entire globe has literally been shut down. So of course, apart from the health crisis, this brings with it a very new kind of economic crisis that I don't think the world would ever have seen before. I think that the economic crisis that would follow the lockdown, not just in Delhi or India, but across the world, may actually be comparable to the Great Depressions that have swayed the world after the world wars.
Fair point.
So I think that their extreme measures or exceptional measures will have to be taken by all governments. First of all, let me tell you that if the central government had taken such a measure, or if the central government takes any strong measures, the Delhi government will support the central government completely.
That's a very positive statement coming from the Aam Aadmi Party. So, Dr. Sambit Patra, instead of questioning whether the economics of the Aam Aadmi Party has gone awry because they gave free pani, free bijli, free bus rides, and now their finances are in trouble, the fact of the matter is, she says that was not something that could have been predicted earlier when those populist measures were taken. But right now, the world is going through tough times, and therefore this requires measures like this, and they will support the central government. Is this a new kind of camaraderie that we are seeing between the Delhi government and the BJP?
No, I believe we have to be in good terms when we have such times, desperate times. I don't want to politicize the issue, but there are certain questions, of course. I mean, it's not just that Delhi is the only state in the whole world. Well, yes, the world is facing a great depression. Haryana is also facing, Tamil Nadu is also facing, so is Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. None of these states, in fact, or union territories, the other union territories have come out with this kind of steep hike. Remember, ₹7 on diesel. Diesel is a poor man's fuel. So the steep hike that we see in diesel is something which no other state or union territory in India, because some other states also, some BJP-ruled states are also mulling over an increase, but an increase of ₹1 or at best ₹1.96. So it shows that this step ladder pattern of increment is missing as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Secondly, let me tell you, we all have to save something under the contingency plan in the budget for a rainy day in the future. Ironically, what the Aam Aadmi Party had done...
You agree with that, Atishi Marlena? And I want to ask you another question because I have very little time left. I want to just ask you, would you support the government for charging airfares, which it is doing to bring back stranded Indians from abroad? Because clearly there is no free lunch for everybody.
So I think, Navika, that first of all, let me tell Mr. Sambit Patra, he may not be familiar with the terms of the Finance Commission, but Delhi is the only state across the country that does not get a share from central taxes. Out of a 60,000 crore budget the Delhi government had last year, only 300 crores came from the central government. So Delhi government, unlike any other governments that Dr. Patra is talking about, is reliant only and only on taxes that are raised from within
Dr.
Delhi
Sambit
itself.
Patra. Respond.
So
10 seconds.
She has conceded. So literally she has conceded that we will take from one pocket and we'll get another pocket. This is what the Bharatiya Janata Party had been saying right from the very beginning. So ₹7 from the poorest pocket in form of diesel, and then some amount of freebies that will be distributed in the future for elections. This is what we have been saying, and this is what she has conceded. And to say that Delhi is the only state which stands apart from the universe is absolutely wrong.
And taxes, by their very nature,
the controversy, the debate carries on between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, but we leave it at that because these are extraordinary times. Just tighten your belt because this could happen in other states as well. Were they waiting for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal to show his guts first and then they would follow? Let's wait and watch. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, Sambit and Atishi Marlena, and good night, dear viewers. Stay tuned for the News Hour agenda. Don't go anywhere.